Welcome to Energy Toning, where I talk about all things energy medicine, consciousness, and how to live your most healthy life. Hi everyone, my name is Liz and welcome to the Energy Toning podcast. Today I wanted to talk about how NES technologies work with the energy of the body. Now, NES stands for Nutrienergetic System. And basically this technology analyzes the electromagnetic field around and through your body with a device that you put your hand on to read this electromagnetic field. So it's called the NES Bioenergetic Wellness System, and it's designed to read and communicate with and stimulate a change in the energy of the body. So there are two devices here. One device is like a scanner. It looks like a mouse, slightly larger than a mouse, and you connect it up with your computer. You put your hand on it and you press scan, and the computer software will read your body field, and it'll basically give you recommendations as to where there might be blockages within the electromagnetic field of your body. And really it's about information, the informational flow around your body. So that's one device. The other device is called a My Health, so MI Health. And what this is a PEMF device. It's a pulsed electromagnetic field device. And basically the way it works, it's in a variety of ways, but primarily you'd use the My Health to communicate with the part of the body on which it is placed by sending weak electrical signals to the spot, and then it listens to the body's response from those signals. So there's a variety of reasons why we might use these kinds of devices. Maybe that you're looking to increase your dream life, or maybe you just want to have more overall wellness, a feeling of well-being. Maybe you have chronic disease and you're looking for unique ways to help your body heal itself. So it's not so much that this system heals disease, it's more about bringing the body into its natural alignment, so then it can iron out any blockages to overall wellness. So this technology would fall in the realm of energy medicine, but most energy medicine is used with, like body work, massage, tapping on meridians, Chinese medicine, whereas this energy medicine is actually using technology. So it's kind of taking the best of both worlds. You've got the ancient knowledge of Chinese medicine, which NES is actually based on, with modern technology to help transmit the new information into your body. So when you use the My Health, basically the way it works is the skin is an indicator of what's going on underneath it, because it's got a magnetic quality to it. So wherever there's a blockage in the energy flow or some other problem, the skin in that area becomes more magnetic or sticky, which is detected by the My Health. As you stimulate that particular area, the body's magnetic quality will begin to change, indicating to the device when the body has responded and created its healing reaction. So the way I've used this device is for back pain, for example. That's one of the vulnerabilities in my body, is my back. I've got a sway back. So, if I'm not careful, that's where I might experience some pain if I've been sitting down for too long or I haven't done any exercise. I did have an injury over a decade ago, and so that's left it even more vulnerable. But I have found using the My Health, it fixes any problems that crop up very quickly. So I might run this device over the back with particular settings, and I find the sticky area, and it's always sticky over the part that was injured. And then as I work through, like brushing up and down and side to side, eventually the area either becomes more sticky or it becomes less sticky. So what you're looking for is a change in the skin resistance. And so that's putting new information, new energy into that spot. And then it basically activates the nervous system, and it sends signals to the brain, and that has a cascade of neurochemicals. Another way of looking at this is that the cells have an electrical potential. So sick, tired and malfunctioning cells have a low electrical potential, and this is what surfaces as magnetic or sticky quality on the skin. By putting energy back into the specific area that you might be having an issue with, the MyHealth can then raise the electrical potential of those cells and restoring them over time to their normal optimal functioning. So this also stimulates the nervous system, as I said, and sending a signal to the brain to direct resources to that particular part of the body as part of the natural healing response. So again, we're not looking at curing disease or curing anything. It's more about helping the body come back to its natural state. So, and then that will have a knock-on effect to whatever else is going on. Because the body is an amazing self-healing machine if the blocks to the energy and informational flow are removed. So in essence, the MyHealth restores energy efficiency to the body by utilising specific frequencies that synchronise energy usage based on the specific frequencies that NES has mapped to each organ, system and subsystem of the body. And so this results in improved well-being. So the MyHealth can also be used off the body in broadcast mode. So if you think about how Wi-Fi works, well, this is what broadcast mode is. So it sends out a magnetic pulse, electromagnetic pulse, and our bodies pick up on that. Just think about the heart and its electromagnetic field. That's basically how the ECG works. It's picking up the electrical activity of the heart. So that's it's kind of how PEMF devices, pulse electromagnetic field devices, work as well. And now how NES technologies work with the information of the body is basically the information of the body is a bit like the software of a computer, telling the body's biochemistry how to organize and structure itself. So if you have a perfect operating software, your body knows precisely what to do and it can repair itself. So essentially the body is able to work off a blueprint or set of information codes for optimal health and homeostasis. So thanks to Peter Fraser's mapping of the human body, who is one of the founders of NES Health, he was actually originally a Chinese medicine practitioner, and here in Melbourne, Victoria, actually he was the senior lecturer at Victoria University for the traditional Chinese medicine course. And he went out on his own and studied the human body field for around 30 years, and NES is basically the result. So he was looking at mapping of the human body field and its optimal states of information. So over the past 30 years, NES has developed this bioenergetics wellness system, as I said, and specifically the advanced body field scanning software. So the software reads the information of the body by sending the information from the map of the human body field via either the MyHealth or the body field scanner, which is the mouse device I was talking about, and then reading the response that comes back to each individual part of the map. So the entire scan is completed in a few seconds. And again, this can all be done just by hooking up to your computer or even your mobile phone, actually, because there's a Bluetooth device, and then you'll get the results pretty much nearly instantly. And you can do this just by either having the app on your phone or downloading a little bit of software to your computer. So the scanner has something to hook into. So once the scan is completed, the software returns a graphical representation of any located distortions in the body's information, as well as individual recommendations, including specific remedies that which are called infoceuticals, which NES developed. And they are basically frequency charged liquids. So it's like structured water that has been imprinted with specific frequencies. And there are several of these solutions. So the software will recommend which one would be the best one for you to use. And usually you would take anywhere between 1 and 5 of these remedies at one time. And then basically they'll stimulate the body's healing response and support to correct the noted distortions from what's been picked up in the scan. So the infoceutical solutions build on the theory of homeopathy, but it's not really homeopathy. So rather than include traces of the ailment, which is what homeopathy does, it basically has the imprinted frequency of the ideal state, energetic state of a particular organ or organ system or energetic system. So that's really the difference between homeopathy and NES. There are similarities in that it's liquid remedy, but yeah, homeopathy is more about matching the disease state. So, the specific frequency of a diseased state is included in homeopathy. So it works on the state of resonance. Like like an opera singer will sing a certain tone and it smashes a glass. That's how homeopathy works. It's that matching kind of state. Whereas NES is more about putting new, corrected information into the body through structured water. So numerous researchers have demonstrated and proven that information can be imprinted onto any polymer. So right now, NES imprints corrective information into colloidal minerals, that's the structured water I'm talking about, and various herbs, as well as sound waves in their imprinted healing music. So the body then receives and responds to that information and begins to correct itself. So basically, if you're interested in how cellular activity can be influenced by external information or factors, you can check out the website that I've linked in the description. Basically, you can sign up for a free NES portal. And this portal is where you can buy the scanner to do the scan. You can also buy My Health. You can watch documentaries on bioenergetics and energy medicine. You can read a lot of articles. You can try bioenergetic recipes. You can get the scan if you like. Once you receive your scanner or My Health, you can actually do a bioenergetic scan and try this all out for yourself. So I'll leave it there for today, but do check out the link if you're interested to know more. And if you're on YouTube, feel free to comment below. That's it for today. Thanks for listening. Just before you go, are you struggling with a chronic health condition that conventional medicine has no answer for or gives you little relief? If so, be sure to check out the link below and reach out to me for help. My coaching program can help you regain energy, relieve difficult emotions, increase your creativity, and build your overall resilience for your life challenges.